A man in England ruptured the back of his throat after he attempted to suppress a sneeze. The unusual case was published in the journal BMJ Case Reports after a 34-year-old man walked into a hospital complaining of difficulty swallowing and a popping sensation in his neck. The man eventually lost his voice and spent a week in the hospital after stopping his sneeze. Air bubbles had apparently seeped into his chest, and a crackling noise could be heard from the man's neck down to his rib cage. Ear, nose, and throat doctor Anthony Amat said, "When you sneeze, air comes out of you at about 150 miles per hour, and holding all that pressure in can do a lot of damage." The English patient ended up making a full recovery, but doctors say if you have to sneeze, just let it out.